Now, let's move on to Module 2. Module 2 focuses on Filipino poets and how poetry turns ordinary moments into meaningful experiences. What I learned is that poetry isn't just about rhyme or structure, it's about emotion, perspective, and using language to express realities that are hard to say directly. The steps you practice, like identifying the persona and then analyzing imagery and context, help me treat poems not as puzzles, but as real conversations with another person's inner world. So we studied Filipino poets and it showed me how they preserve our identity and tell our stories, our love, struggles, memories, and resilience. From the materials, I gained some key takeaways. So first was The Rain by Danton Remotos. It taught me that intimacy can exist even across distance, using sensory image to make longing feel real. Second is Edith Tempo's Bonsai. It showed me how love can be stored in small and meaningful objects that hold memories. And lastly, Vivenidos Lumbreras Voyagers on Recto Avenue remind me that imagination and innocence survive even in chaotic places like city streets. Our sandbox activity helped me apply this concept. In Poem on a War, the persona sees beauty in the city noises but struggles with how messages changes once they reach others, highlighting how communication often loses meaning in a fast-paced world. And in The Beach and Pablo, the persona feels excited and distant but eventually finds belonging through nature and creativity, symbolizing by becoming one with the beach. And for the main task, I wrote an insight paper comparing the People Power documentary and Michael V's poem. I argue that Philippines is defined not by geography, but by the shared struggles and value of its people. Both materials show that true nationhood comes from unity, moral courage, and the spirit of bayanihan. Overall, Module 2 helped me grow by teaching me to look deeper, appreciate different perspectives, understand how poetry and stories shape who we are as Filipinos. It made me more reflective and more sensitive to meaning and more connected to my identity.